Last, choose one representative to answer my question and explain your answers below. Okay? And number two, ano ba? So, first, group one, can you explain what made you answer the question?
First is motion. The woman is running, she is moving, and that's motion. Second is force. The children push and pull in the box.
Okay, very good. Now, group two.
So the first picture shows force because it push and pull the barbell using their strength. And then the second picture is motion. Walking is one of the example of motion because it changes their position and in different directions.
Okay, very good. So, get back to your seats, please. Quiet talk, class. How do you feel about everything? Ahon?
I feel excited and happy to appreciate the company.
Why is it important to know about sports? No one's gonna volunteer? Okay, responsible. Why is it important to know about sports?
Kaya ko naman ka naman. Dira mo na tumaybawan na full ba na cooler. And of course, ba ang gamit na sa pagkuhan, pag-apil. Okay, very good.
Thank you. So now, class, we will proceed to our topic. So, what is force? Can everybody read?
Force makes moves or change direction.
So, ang force ko ay magamit sa inyong puso. Kaya ganit na pinagagap na kong examples. Like the mga ano sa inyong doorknob, like mga close sa inyong laptop. Something like na magamit sa inyong puso. Like ang mga na. So, next is what is motion? Can everybody read?
Motion is when something changes situation. It may be move another direction. We exercise motion using words like fast, slow, forward, and backward.
So like what we said in the PPT, talaga ang motion kay move na siya. And that's force kay magamit mo kung ang puso. Ang kay force kay move na siya nag-turn ang mga of direction. Either kuhan siya na either pasok sila or hindi sila. So, what are some examples of force and motion in our daily life? Okay, Dr. Lord. Okay, very good. So, like what I said kanina, mga examples natin magamit sa atong mga dapat. Mga example, or na push, mga na. And then next is how the force affect the motion of an object. Italiano, can you please answer? How do forces affect the motion of an object?
Dapat
may mga patatagal.
Apit siya sa... Ano ka na?
How do forces affect motion?
Apit ang force of motion kaya parang outside of the direction or forward or back. Outside of position.
Okay, thank you. Here. So, parang mag-affect na siya from like a real example, they push him on ball. So, that applies force, di ba? Push. Kaya, ang bola kay yung movement. Yung wala na siya. Depende kung wala na siya muwanag. Nag-iba siya, nagpasok, pasok mo siya, bago siya sa right, sa left. So, mga kailan na-apply ang push ka ba? Like, for example, na. So now last time, grouping sa pagkaw. May tawag activity and I new groups that were not after before. So can you go and please quietly? Okay? Ang group 1 ay mag-make up slogan about force and motion. And then tawag group 2 ay mag-draw picture showing different types of force acting on a object. So, you will start now. With 1 minute. Okay. So now class, you will go back to your seats. Okay, class, have you learned something today? Yes. Very good. So now, can you get one more sheet of paper and answer this? Are you done answering 1 and 2? Yes. Okay. Class, are you done answering? Yes. Can you pass it forward, please? So, okay, class, that will be the end of our lesson. When you're way home, observe and list down examples of force and motion you see. And I have an assignment for you to do at your home. Please list down this assignment. Okay, class, that will be all for today. Goodbye and be